Hi everyone, it's Hallie and Mark from Barefeet Retreat. We're just going to do a little walkthrough of the boat today and just show you, this is the new Majestic 570 that was just built in 2020 and launched in March. So we've just got you out to the USVI and we're excited to show you. So as you can see, we've installed the new sponge decking just for added comfort to guests. We've got the full stainless steel wraparound guardrails, which is really nice for the kids. Going through the deck, everything's just been extended on this 570 version. We've got new deck chairs situated on starboard and the port side. We've got big trampolines, dolphin seats, and just unlimited space for seating with guests. Coming up, we've got 4 actual layers and spots to chill with the guests with the added bean bags. Coming up, this is one of the layers. We can fit 4 guests over here. And one of the really noticeable features on the new 570 that we've tried to do with the production team was building a complete walkthrough onto the new flybridge, which is actually which can actually sit 8 guests at the moment, which is just an incredible spot to hang out. So as you can see, walking through on the walkthrough, it just makes it so much easier. So when you're single-handedly sailing, you can walk through, check the rigging with the guests, walk down from your flybridge and go on to multiple layers for seating and relaxation on the beanbags. Coming into the flybridge, we've got a full bar with a cocktail menu. Guests can choose what they want for happy hour. We've got sun decking on both the starboard and the port side. And what I really like is these little nooks and crannies where you can just fit 2 people, nice little reading space, a full wraparound flybridge for those evening cocktail hours, and of course the deck seating over here. And what I really love about this flybridge, guys, is that it can seat 5 people next to the captain, which is just, it's one of the best features, because in the past, having a single captain seat, you'd have to try and turn around and speak with the guests. Right now, with 360-degree panoramic views, you can really just sit here and take it all in. 2 people over here, 3 people next to you, and it's just a great feature. So coming down from the flybridge, we've got stairs leading to a shaded area. This is really a fantastic spot. We can sit 10 people here and have an absolute blast over here with full wraparound sun shading and rain covers. A new feature on the Majestic 570 is it's kind of like a little shade lounger. You can fit 3 people on here, read a book, get out of the sun, and it's just an awesome spot. We've had the covers down just because of the rain today, but we've got our big barbecue. That's been a notable feature on the past models. Dive tanks for diving. With the 14'6" Falcon inflatable dinghy and a 50 Yamaha for tubing, going fishing, and going on those long distance dive excursions. This tender platform is really cool. Once you drop your platform, you can put a table and chairs, drop it down remotely with a wireless remote, and spend lunch on the water for those romantic evenings and watch the sunset. So yeah, guys, welcome into the galley. So as you can see, yeah, we got Chef Hallie. We've really spent some time in the galley on this version, and it's a pretty much like a house galley. It's massive, tons of plating areas. We've got the island over here, just full wraparound plating areas, a dishwasher, and that big old farm sink that we really enjoy for those 10-pax trips. Coming into the saloon area, we've got really cool seating here, wraparound, with a little table here for those kids that can watch a movie if you want to have a family trip, a TV over here. So there are 3 cabins in each hull with a full, it's got a It's ensuite, apologies. And it's a dry head. So each cabin has its own. Got that angle. As you can see, all the storage space in these areas, it's just we put a lot of time into the rooms and try to make them as spacious as possible, a lot of storage. We've got really, really cool etching on these doors here. Some different sea animals per each room. We've got barlins, turtles, and ferns. If you want to come in this side. So yeah, each room has really, really nice stone flooring. Coming into the galley, got large into the shower stall. You've got large windows on each side, so look onto that sea life, and just a lot of light coming into these shower stalls. Moving through the passageway, we've got the love shack, which is the mid cabin. Really, really spacious, almost king-size beds on the, king space up to the top, and plenty of storage around. This is also a room and shower. Moving up to the 4-pair cabin, this is also a really amazing space, a lot of light, own ensuite bathroom and shower with an escape hatch on the side of the bed just to bring in that light, and you can actually look out from your bed into the seawater, which is really, really beautiful. A lot of light coming through the windows, and obviously each room has its own little hatch so you can get some air. Yeah, let's make our way up to the galley. So yeah, guys, really appreciate you spending some time with us today. And yeah, look forward to seeing you soon on Barefeet Retreat.